I'm back. I had to use the pliers to get that off, but we all set. Make sure I'm not forgetting nothing. Need the chapstick. It's about 50 degrees out here, so I don't have no chapped lips while I'm out there. All right, car is locked, and we headed down. Let's get it. So now all I gotta do is take it down here. Use these. This be the heavy part. So this weigh about 30 pounds each. It's actually 60 something pounds together, which isn't too bad, you know. Played a little ball, squat a little 3 something. All right, I had to put it on the water, go get my stuff, and we'll begin fishing. So for here, I'm gonna set this down, and then I'm gonna just lower it like this. Yep, bad boy right there. Get down here, put this through. It be getting stuck, so I might just go like this, wrap it around, and then boom. So that should be stuck right there till I go get my stuff. As y'all can see, this low-key my workout for the day. Okay, so now my tackle box, rod holder, put the pedal. I probably should have put the pedal on first, but it's cool. So it look like it take me about 15 minutes. Oh, that's a good sign. Y'all see them ripples? That mean the fish, they eating. sir. Come on, please be a fish. Let's go. Let's go. First fish on the kayak. Ooh, hope it's a good one. Oh, it's not huge, but I'll take it. Let's go. First fish. Get on the boat. Let's go. I will take it. First fish on the yak. Good gracious. Nasty hook set. And I got it on film. Let's go. It's cold out here, boy. If this all I get today, I'm cool with it. I am cool with it. Oh. There we go. Ooh. Baby, that means there's some over there.